My name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to train a tomato sucker to be the new top of the tomato plant. Here's a clip from the show. All right, we're here in the tomatoes, and we have some to harvest, which is fantastic. And then we have this plant here. This is the one that the hornworm got into and chewed up. There's no evidence of that worm anymore. A bird must have got it or something. But we're getting a very nice top here. But here's the problem. This is actually my sucker, and this is actually my top. So I think what I'm going to do on this plant is go ahead and add another string to this and take this one on up. And I'm just going to do a two-top on this, because I really don't want to cut this off, and I don't want to cut this off because there's fruit on it. So let me get a string, and we'll just modify this plant. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a string to this one. If we don't put a string on it, when those tomatoes get big, they will bend the plant over and actually break it in two. So we want to be sure that we are supporting the fruit with the strings. Put two clips on it, because sometimes these tomato plants fall. And then I'm going to clip here of the fruit. That'll support that fruit. And then we're going to take out this sucker here. And then on this one, this is a sucker here. There's a sucker here. One here. And then up here, this is a sucker. And this is a sucker. And then we're going to put a clip on this. And this plant now has two tops. Now if I decide that I just want the one here, I can clip this, let this grow a little further, and then top it out. And then at least I get to keep this fruit. And then I can have this topped out somewhere up in here to where it's not drawing too much energy. And then we just switched from that to this as our top, and then this one we'll just continue with. So we do have some options here. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 11. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.